Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 11 is going to be the following exercises. 1, back and forth squats. 2, lunges with twist. 3, V sit-ups. And 4, bottom kickers. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for exercise 1, back and forth squats, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start feet shoulder width apart already. You're gonna jump forward, you're gonna jump back, and then you're gonna squat. So again, forward, back, squat, okay? Back and forth squats. Then we're gonna go with lunges with twist. So you're gonna start either with your right foot, left foot. I'm gonna start with my left foot going forward. I'm gonna lunge forward. When I come to the end, I'm gonna twist to my left, and then I'll switch, lunge, and then twist the opposite direction. You're gonna go back and forth with your right twist and your left twist, okay? Then we're gonna go down to our bottoms, and we're gonna do our V sit-ups. So you're gonna have your feet together. You're gonna slightly elevate your body like this, and then you're gonna get your hands to touch your toes. The best if you can, okay? Those are V sit-ups. Your body should kind of look like a V as best as possible. And last but not least, we're gonna do our bottom kickers. So I'm gonna show you this way, and then I'll show you at the side angle. So you're gonna go ahead and kick your bottoms the best you can. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll get to this Fast 5 workout number 11 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Forward back squat. Best you can, getting as low to the ground as possible. Remember, you guys can do anything you put your mind to for 30 seconds. All right, remember the motto, just finish. Again, it's not about speed. All right, let's get into those lunges. So lunge and twist. Lunge and twist. Going. You're doing great. Don't give up. Just finish. Turn that torso. All right, we got V sit-ups. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. I want you to count. See how many you do this first round. Try to beat it. Second round. All right, bottom kickers, let's go. So that was 18 for me. Okay, here's some side angle. You want to kick your bottom, let's go. Good job. It's the last one before our break. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. Time to get some water. You guys haven't seen it. Brand new merch. You guys check it out on Teespring.com. The P.E Spot, as well as Redbubble, so you guys can join the movement. And the motto, just finish. It's a lifestyle, my friends. Whatever you start in life, just finish. Can't shake your legs off. You got 30 seconds left. Woo! That's a good one. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment on the videos. Let me know how you guys are doing with these workouts. If you guys have actually went through 1 through 10 already, because again, this is our 11th Fast 5 workout that I've created for you guys. All right, get ready to go. Again, back and forth squats. Starting. 2, 1, and go. Round 2. Challenge yourself. All right, let's get to those lunge with twist. Turn your whole torso. Your torso is your upper body. Turn it to the side. You're almost done. Let's go. Don't quit on me. Woo! Feeling it. All right, we got those V sit-ups. 2 more, my friends, 2 more. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's go, final kickers. Last one, everything you got. "30 seconds, everything you got. Let's go. Finish strong. Just finish. With your nose, out your mouth. And time. Nice job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Fist pump. Boom. You guys did an amazing job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 11. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite exercise from today's workout, as well as your most challenging exercise from today's workout. Also, I would like you guys to create your own Fast 5 workout, and maybe it'll be featured in a future Fast 5 workout on the channel. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.